Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Meet recording policies for workspace compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Meet recording policies for workspace compliance, begin by logging into your Google Workspace admin console. Navigate to the main dashboard. Select apps from the list of options. Click on Google Workspace to expand the menu. Locate Google Meet and click on it. Under Google Meet, find the section labeled Meet Video Settings. Here, you will see options related to recording settings. Review the current policies for recording meetings. Ensure you understand your organization's compliance requirements. Check if recording is enabled for your organization. If needed, click Manage to modify recording settings. Review the information about who can record meetings. Take note of whether only designated users can access recording features. Understand how recordings are stored and shared. Ensure that data retention policies align with your organization's compliance mandate. Access the recording section to review existing recordings. Check if recordings are automatically saved to Google Drive. Confirm where users can access past recordings. Advise your team on best practices for meeting recordings. Ensure they are aware of privacy concerns and data protection laws. Consider conducting training sessions for best practices in meeting recordings. Regularly audit your recording policies to ensure ongoing compliance. Stay informed about any updates to Google Meet policies. Ensure that all users are aware of the company's recording guidelines. Encourage feedback from team members about the recording process. Create a dedicated channel for questions regarding recording compliance. Consistency in policy application is key for compliance success. This ensures everyone follows the same procedures for meeting recordings. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and manage Google Meet recording policies for workspace compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.